2021 was a terrific year for the market. We started at 14,000 and ended up at 17,350, nearing a 24% return. Now who doesn't want a kickstart to the new year? So in this video I'll be discussing top stocks to buy for January 2022. Now if you are an active trader, you might have spotted this breakout on the chart of IT index on December 21st. This is the only sector outperforming the market. It is at its all-time high and looks great for upcoming months. Let's look at the top 3 stocks from this space. So the first stock is Mphasis. If you look at the fundamentals, it is a large cap software company with a current market cap of 63,600 crore. The company has a return of equity of above 15% and ROCE, that is return on capital employed, about 25%. Fundamentally, the stock is really good. If we look at technicals, what we can see is the stock has recently given a breakout from a channel pattern. The best range to buy the stock would be from 3,300 to 3,400 with a stop loss of 3,200, and the first target you can expect is of 4,000. Now I generally don't use a set target. What I do is I tail my stop loss with a moving average, or I book partial profits whenever I feel the stock has been extended. So that is what you can also do. Let's move to the stock number 2, that is LTTS. So now L&T Technological Services is again a large cap stock with a market cap of 59,000 crore. ROE is about 20% and ROC is almost 30%. The debt to equity is negligible and currently the stock is trading at 71 times of earnings. The fundamental of the stocks are really good. And if we look at technicals, what we can spot is a flag and pole pattern. The breakout has been done and the price is near the buying zone. The best range to buy this stock would be from 5,500 to 5,600, and the first target that comes up is 6,200, which is about 12% from the current price. And the stop loss I would advise would be 5,250, making it 1:2 trade. The name of the third stock is Datamatics. This is a small cap company with a market cap of 1,800 crore. ROE and ROC both are above 10% and currently the stock is trading at 14 times earnings. Fundamentally the stock is not bad, and recently there has been some changes in the shareholding pattern where we can see FIs getting into the stock. When we look at the charts, we can clearly spot a wedge pattern that had broken out on 29th of December. Also at the same time the stock had crossed above its 50 days moving average. Datamatics can prove to be a good risk reward trade as the upside expected is way more than the risk. The first target you can expect is the all-time high range between 375 to 380 with a stop loss of 292. At the current price, this can be a 4-hour trade. I'll see you in the next one.